Happy New Year, guys. Look at that. Look at my husband, guys. And he's sleeping. He wants to sleep. So, this is the resort. I just don't want to show you the name of the resort, but you can look what it looks like. Wow, my cousin. Oh, I'm gonna post this from YouTube. I'm gonna post it. Let me see. I record it because I have so many days not taking a video. Because my latest video is from December 18th. Oh, hello. Oh no. They're picking up. That's great. Let's see. Ayan na, hindi na tumitino. Wait. Okay, Santino. Hey, hey.
Do not do that again.
Hey! I gonna go down. I gonna go down. Okay? Just wait, okay? Okay.
I know a way.
Okay. Okay. Guys, we're finished now. Let's wear our shoes, guys, for more purposes. Oh no! You fall down. Okay, guys, let's see if there's a people from the restroom. Check it out. Why there's always people in the restroom? They have a futuristic fan. That fan is futuristic. And a fan. Oh, I thought it was a fan. This is a telephone.
Sa dalawang kanta ang nanalo ng Song of the Year sa 2025 Awit Awards.
Oh, I think there's no people. This is what the restaurant looks, guys. Okay, I'm just not gonna pay, but I'm just gonna show for you the restaurant. This is the sink. If you want like that, just put it. If you want this, if you want shower, go ahead. So guys, let's just check. Why is it clogged or something? Okay, so this is the bathroom. Wait. Oh, here. This is a bidet. Whoa, it's like a high pressure water and a shower. That shower is really crazy. And this is a light switch. If you want to be, go ahead. It's very beautiful inside. I don't know. But just guess the name of the resort. Oh no! Okay. Oh no! Lalabas yung aircon.
Ayun pa, isa po. Partner pa sa buwan yan. Next. Whitney Houston challenge lahat ng mga Whitney. Pila. Pila. Whitney Houston yung yan tayo. Dalon. Okay. Pipili na ko tayo. So yung price po ito lang para. Magbibigay ng kulay sa iyong mundo. Lap-lap na ito. Baka sinabi ko lang ba sa palalaman. Baliyan mo tayo na. Sige, sample. Kasi naman kapag tumama ako, panalo na ako. Ang pila na.
Ayo.
Ayun ko na.
Yan yung puriko.
Video mo dyan.
Malayo pa yan.
Malayo ah.
Hindi, next pa.
Bandang last na yun. Sa last chorus.
Ah.
Ay, bo? Ay, hindi, sobra dyan, sobra. Ay, hindi, kulang pa dyan, kulang. Konti na lang. Ay, wait. Yan, yan. Ito, wine. Isa dito. Ayan, yan, yan.
One, two, three, four, five!
Ayun. Oh, dali na po. Let's go. Ilan na, pila na, pila na. Wow. Pila mo na natin.
Sama ako, sama ako.
Isa lang. Ay, wali pahulat sila. Ha?
Hindi, dapat may price niyan.
May prizes yan. Nado na makuha. So, you need to be ready. Go, 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 go. Pila lang. Sige po, pila lang po lang. Sige, lahat na makakuha. May prizes sila. Pero, expect nyo mga siguro, 3 o 5 ganun. Maximum na yun. Mahirap yan. Go! May mga singer mga ganda ko. Pinsan, Dara, everyone.
Saan pila?
Dara. Pila po, yan. Ganyan po yung pila, tapos mga pila po yung pila. Yeah, basta pili lang din po. Basta mga po mo, pili lang siya. Already, sound system. I want to open. Sali po kayo, sali. Ang lilipat naman yan. Alright, mga pose. Alis. Nawala ka na eh. Okay, next. Yeah, yun yung exact. Precise. Nagabi yung ganun rin na eh. Hindi ako bigyan tayo naman. Nagabi tayo ba yun naman? Sakto yung ako yung
Mami, galian mo ha. Galingan mo. Go! Dapat sumabay ka, no?
Sabi niya, mainit ang ulo. Wala ko man. You want to go?
Go! Ay, thank you po. Berly, ah! Talo ko na yung style ko, Berly.
Huli ka. Sakto yan, sakto
Panis! Panis!
Wala na. Okay. Next.
Ay, John!
Talo-talo ako.
Ready, ready, ready.
Kasama ng
Talo, overloaded na yan.
Go! Ay! Wait!
Wala na. Next. Ay, idol. Ano?
Hoy! Wag.
Alam mo? Given? Ay, talaga na. Ay, Diyos ko. Pag yan, may kwadar. Hindi ka
Yan
pabigyan.
ang kay Juan, yung parabag ko.
Go, go, go.
Kaya nga talbina pa mo ah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go!
1, 2, 3, 4. Alam ba? Pwede umulat. Pwede umulat. May premyo pa oh. Yay, kayo. Ala!